Hey there, artists! If you're just starting your painting journey, you might be making some common mistakes without even realizing it. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid them. In this video, I'll go over 25 beginner painting mistakes and give you tips on how to fix them. Let's dive in! Mistake 1. Skipping the sketch. Many beginners jump straight into painting without sketching first. A light pencil or charcoal sketch can help you plan your composition and avoid mistakes later. Mistake 2. Using too much paint. Applying thick layers too soon can make it hard to blend colors. Start light and build up gradually. Mistake 3. Ignoring the underpainting. An underpainting sets the tone and depth of your artwork. Skipping this step can make colors look flat. Mistake 4. Choosing low-quality supplies. Cheap brushes and paints may seem like a good deal, but they can make your work harder. Invest in decent materials for better results. Mistake 5. Not mixing enough paint. Mixing too little paint can lead to inconsistencies in color. Always mix more than you think you'll need. Mistake 6. Overblending colors. Too much blending can make colors muddy. Try to leave some crisp edges for contrast. Mistake 7. Using the wrong brushes. Different brushes create different effects. A flat brush isn't great for fine details, and a round brush won't cover large areas well. Mistake 8. Holding the brush incorrectly. Gripping your brush too tightly can limit fluidity. Hold it loosely for smoother strokes. Mistake 9. Using only one brush. Each brush has a purpose. Experiment with different shapes and sizes for more dynamic paintings. Mistake 10. Not letting layers dry. Painting over wet layers too soon can cause colors to mix unintentionally. Be patient. Mistake 11. Relying too much on black for shadows. Pure black can make shadows look unnatural. Try mixing complementary colors for richer, more realistic shadows. Mistake 12. Avoiding reference photos. Painting from imagination is great, but references help improve accuracy, especially for proportions and lighting. Mistake 13. Not practicing color theory. Understanding color relationships makes a huge difference. Learn about complementary and analogous colors to create harmony in your work. Mistake 14. Not cleaning brushes properly. Leaving paint on brushes can ruin them. Rinse them thoroughly after each use to extend their lifespan. Mistake 15. Using too much water or not enough. For watercolors, too much water can dilute the pigment too much. For acrylics, too little water can make blending difficult. Find the right balance. Mistake 16. Not considering composition. A well-planned composition makes a painting more interesting. Follow the rule of thirds or use leading lines to guide the viewer's eye. Mistake 17. Overworking the painting. Sometimes, less is more. Overworking can lead to dull, lifeless paintings. Know when to stop. Mistake 18. Ignoring light and shadows. Flat paintings lack depth. Study how light interacts with objects to create dimension. Mistake 19. Being afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Instead of fearing them, embrace them and experiment. Mistake 20. Comparing yourself to others. Every artist has their own journey. Focus on progress, not perfection. Mistake 21. Using too many colors. Too many colors can make a painting look chaotic. Stick to a limited palette for better harmony. Mistake 22. Not testing colors before applying.
Colors can look different when dry.
Test them on a scrap piece of paper first. Mistake 23. Not stepping back to look at the whole picture. Looking too closely at details can make you lose perspective. Step back often to see the overall composition. Mistake 24. Giving up too soon. Every painting goes through an ugly phase. Don't give up. Push through, and you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. Mistake 25. Not having fun. Painting should be enjoyable. Don't stress too much about mistakes. Just keep creating and learning. So there you have it, 25 common painting mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more painting tips and tutorials. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun painting. See you in the next video.